1000 GMC Sierra 1500 Z71 package with the 5.3 LS, which is really just an LQ. Not trying to bore y'all with me, but I didn't want to wait till I got outside because it's the coldest fucking balls. Oh, beautiful. It is iced everywhere. Oh, what's so stupid? I can't. It is like shut completely. I can't. And we don't lock it, so I know it's not locked. Yes, it is locked, bro. I think it is. Let's try. Hold on. Yeah, baby. The power. I had to pull up on the door with the oh, his windshield's probably gonna bust. If that windshield's brand new, cause yeah, baby. Power of the 5.3, mama. Everything you never made right now. You wanna know why? Because of this. All I did was change the spark plug and every single light went away. Well, that's a low fuel light, so. And buddy, this thing's not low mileage. I mean, low mileage? No, we don't need it. Look at this. God, I cannot see. Thank you, Jesus. Brother, my window is down. Cause the inside of that looks like the inside of here is being lit. Is my one of our windows down? Is that? Doesn't that look like there's ice and shit right there? Oh, it's because of the fucking. Okay, whatever. I don't care. Oh, no fucking wonder. Jesus fucking Christ. Where's the motherfucker was shut? Alright. Oh, god damn it got worse. That was just a tiny little crack. Fucking ice storm could fuck my legs up.